Good morning. Let's see the story time. Yes. See, everyone look at the story name. What is the story name? Growing flowers. Okay. What is the story name? See, everyone look at this. What is the story name? Growing flowers. Okay. See, one day they went for the jungle. Then they learn about the trees. Then they come back to home. Then she wanted to plant a tree. Okay. Then what they did? Yes. Then they decided the place where she would like to plant a tree. Okay. Could you tell me where she wanted to plant a tree? You know, right? In this page I already taught you, right? Yes, where she would like to plant a tree? Come on. Yes, exactly. She want to plant a tree in the garden. What they did next? Yes, they decided to what plant she would like to plant in their garden. What tree she want to plant in their garden? Come on. She want to plant a big tree. Is it so? No, right? Yes, she wanted to plant a tulip plants because she liked tulip plants very much, right? Yes. Then what they did? Yes, they go and buy tulip bulbs from the nursery garden. Okay. Then where they went, baby? See, on Sunday, they went to the garden. Why they went to the garden? Why? Yes, see, they have a tulip bulb, right? They want to do the germination for the tulip bulbs, right? So, they went to the garden. Okay? Okay, baby? See, everyone look at this. What is this? Everyone look at this. It's like a tulip bulbs. It's like a tulip bulbs. It's a light brown color. Is it so? Yes, see, it looks like a onion with a pointed head, and it looks like a onion pointed head, and it is a light brown color. Can you guess this? See, I get this vegetables from our kitchen. It's same like our tulip bulbs. What is this? Yes, correct. This is a big onion. Okay. We are used for the cooking, right? It is the same as our tulip bulbs. Okay, baby? Everyone is clear? See, look at this. It's both are same like. See, both are same, right? It's like a pointed onion, right? Tulip bulbs like a pointed onion, right? Yes. See, up to this, everyone is clear? I taught you last class, right? Up to this, everyone is clear? Let's see today portions. Come on. See, then mummy, see, they are get the tulip bulbs. Then they went to the garden. Okay. Then mother said to her, if you want to do the germinations, we want to take the fertilizers, watering can and shovel. Why? Then only we can do the germination for the tulip bulb lights. Yes, see, look at this. What are things they are taken? What are the things they are taken? Shovel, fertilizers and watering can. All these things they taken from the home and reach the garden. Okay, baby? Okay. See, once they reach the garden, what they want to do? What is the first thing they want to do? What's the first thing? Yes, see, at first we look for a place. What they want to do? Yes, they want to look for the place. In the garden, we have a lot of places, right? We need to choose the best place for the tulip bulbs. Correct? Yes. So, they are decided where they want to plant a tulip bulbs. Okay? Okay. How we need to choose the place? How we need to choose the place? Everyone look at this. How they want to choose the place? Yes, you know, right, already. What are the things to grow up the plants? What are the things? Come on, tell me, what are the things? Yes, sunlight, air and water. These are the things to grow up the plants. Correct, baby? Yes. So, how they want to choose the place? Yes, it have a sunlight. We need a sunlight to grow up the tulip bulbs because tulips like sunlight very much. Okay, in the sunlight only tulips grow very fast. Without sunlight the tulips cannot grow. So they choose the place. Okay, they choose the place. It have a sunlight. See, everyone look at this. As tulip love sunlight. Tulips love sunlight. Only in the sunlight place only tulip grown up. Okay, baby. Then we look for the sunny place. So they look for the sunny place. Okay. At last they find the place. Okay, baby. At last they find the place where they want to plant a tulip bulbs. Everyone clear up to this? See what they are doing? They choose the, see, they want to plant a tree. Then they choose the place where they want to plant a tree. Then they decided which plant they want to plant in their garden. So they decided to plant a tulip plants. Okay. Then what they doing? See, they go and buy the tulip bulbs from the nursery garden. Okay. Then on the Sunday they reach the garden. Okay, baby. Then what are the things they take for germination? Yes, come on, tell me. Fertilizer, see, soil, fertilizer and watering can. All these things they reach the garden. Okay. Then what they choose first? They started for the germination. Then they choose the sunny place. They choose the sunny place. Okay. Up to this, everyone is clear? Then you have to think at your home. What is the next step? Okay. They choose the sunny place. Then how they want to do the plant for the tulip bulbs. Okay. At your home, you have to think and you have to tell me on the next story section. Okay, baby? Everyone is clear? Okay.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray!